Okay, so in the last lecture, we covered off on why Facebook is important for your business and also the strategy that we're going to really use. And that's really focusing on our 1,000 genuine and relevant likes. Now that we understand that, it's really time to dive straight in and take some action. And we are really going to focus in the next few lectures on creating an optimized Facebook page in 8 steps. If you remember, the Facebook page is really going to be the representation of your business on Facebook. This is how you'll get a presence on Facebook. And in this lecture, we're going to cover off on the first 3 points. This will be pretty quick to do, and we're going to really get started here by creating the page. Now, the great thing about optimizing your Facebook page is that it'll help you appear higher in the Google search results when somebody searches for your brand or business name, and also within Facebook itself. Facebook has a search engine, which I'll be showing you later, and following these steps are going to really help you appear higher in both of these search engines. So let's get started and really click on the link here to create a page. And what you'll see now is that there are 6 options for the type of page to really get started. And you'll see that I've noted it out here. There's only really 2 that you need to be concerned about if you're a small business, and that's really the company, organization, and institution, or local place or business. So let's have a look at these here. It's really these 2 options here. Now, if you're a local business, if you have a physical location where people can actually go to your store, then this is the option that you want to select. The reason you want to select this option is that they have extra features in the page, like showing opening times, reviews, etc. So that's why I want to pick that. If you have a business that doesn't have a physical location, perhaps an online business, then you'll want to select this one here. So I don't have a physical location. Everything's online for me, so I'm going to really select this option. Once you select that, then you'll see that you can select a category. So all you need to do is really come down and select one here. So I'm really going to focus on education, and then I just want to put in my company name. So I'm going to put in the Complete Digital Marketing Course. Simple as that. You can just put in your business name there, and then really click Get Started. We can change both of these later on, so don't worry about it too much. Just get those filled in and then click Get Started. Okay, so first thing that I need to do is actually log into Facebook, and so I'm going to do that now. The way that this works, actually, this is probably a good time to explain it, is that your business page will be connected to your personal Facebook page. So you essentially log in to manage this business page from your personal Facebook profile. And so if you haven't got a Facebook personal profile, that is the first step you'll have to do to really get that set up. As it says here, you'll manage the page from your personal account, but your info won't appear on the page unless you choose to add it. And that's the same for if you want to give access to any of your employees to this Facebook page. They will need to have their Facebook profile. So I'm going to click login here, and now you can see that I'm logged into my personal page. I'm going to maybe do this once again. Yeah, I'll have to do this from the start, and just fill this in. That's saved there. So now I'm getting started. Once you sign in, then you will be met with this process here. I'm going to recommend we really skip through these steps because we're really going to tackle them one by one in the next lectures. So I'm just going to add that to favorites. That's an easy step for me to do. So in my personal profile, I can see that. I'm going to click next, and I'm going to click skip. And we're going to do this later on then as well. So what we have actually got now is a Facebook page. You can see it's blank. There's not much on this page. It doesn't look great. It obviously wouldn't be great for us to drive traffic to this because it doesn't really say anything about our business. But we have completed the first 3 steps, which is selecting our page type, we've selected our category, and we've selected our page name. And we've got a live Facebook page now, which we're going to be really working on. Now, before we leave, what we can do is click here on create a page username. And essentially this username really makes it easier for people to find your page in search when you have your own unique username. Pages with usernames can also create custom URLs that can let people quickly visit the website and message them. So I'm just going to put in this here, complete digital marketing course. So it's just the same business name again. You might have to check to make sure that it is available. You can see that my one is available here. Make sure the spelling, that's okay. And then you just click create username. You can see that I'm all set. This has been completed. It's easier for people to find me, and also people can visit my page at fb.me/my username and send me messages here as well. So once I've got that done, that reloads. You can see that it also appears up here under the cover image. So that is really setting up our page name, our type, category, and name, including the username. And in the next lecture now, we're really going to look at getting your Facebook icon set up. That's what goes into this section here. So I'll see you there.